The vision for the Brompton Electric was to make a product that was as light as possible without sacrificing durability, and was extremely compact. Working with Williams, we're able to use their expertise in electrical machine design, mechanical design.
There's a lot of capability, a lot of synergy between the Formula One business and what Brompton required with regard to the development of a lightweight, high-performance electric machine.
It has to perform in the real world and in the city, otherwise there's no point having it. It has to be robust and there for you.
We're producing a lot of power, really nice, smooth, torquey assistance, but it's only 74mm wide. It's very, very thin.
The Brompton Electric is no different to Brompton. It's the same philosophy. Our philosophy is freedom. This just allows more people to participate, and we're going to use technology to enable to do things we weren't able to do before. We'll continue to do that. It's just an evolution of the same principle.